Hello guys, welcome back to our channel eGames, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can fish in Fortnite. So to do that, simply load up a game and then go to a location where you can find fishing rods. Okay, so I'm heading to one right now. So once you guys have gone to an area where you can find fishing rods, so once you guys have landed to an area which has fishing rods, it will look like this. The fishing rod will be in a wooden barrel and you guys can break it and then get a fishing rod. Okay, and you need to equip the fishing rod, and you guys see these small ponds like things which have fish. You can fish here. Okay, so to fish you just simply need to equip the fishing rod and then hold the left mouse button. An arrow will appear just like this, and you need to aim towards the small pond and you need to release your left mouse button. And after you've done that, the fishing pole will go inside the pond and a splash kind of animation will pop up. After the animation has popped up, you need to release your left mouse button again and you'll get a fish. So like this, you release the left mouse button, you wait for a bit, a splash like that appears, and then you can fish. So it depends, it can either give you a gun or a fish.